Got the big boy U-Haul, man. Moving moms. It's the biggest U-Haul I ever had, y'all. Sure, this mud long than a mud. This boy long than a mud. So we got a mover. I'm guessing this mud like 26 feet. I don't know how big it is, but I think it's about 26 feet. And I'm trying to make my time. It's 1:18 p.m. Hopefully I can make my time quota. We'll see. But yeah, man. Hopefully y'all having a good day. We do landscaping, moving, power washing, gutter cleaning, construction cleanup, a little bit of everything, you know what I mean? They getting the gate open now. They getting it open. Looks like it's open. My man coming to open it right now.
Here you come now.
Alright.
I'm gonna stand on this side of the truck because you got the mirror on this side.
You're just videotaping. It's already videotaping. Just hold it. You're just videotaping.
Alright. Come on back. Thank you, son. Come on, watch yourself, watch yourself. Here you come. Yep, we about to move some people. Cut towards me. Towards me. Cut it. Nope, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. The other way. The other way. Come on back. Come on back. Turn, cut it that way. Nope, the other way, yeah. Let's wheel the other way. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Here you go. I can't see it being that much stuff. I swear, I just can't see it.
If we do shit. If we do shit. Let me go to the car, go get the
You gotta go in the front and out the side.
Man.